Hey everyone, it's Maureen and welcome back to my channel. So today is very special because I have been needing this bag for I don't know for how long, but I wanted a bigger travel bag with my carry-on trolley. You guys know this is what I carry when I travel. I put it on top of my trolley, which is kind of like small, and it's kind of annoying because I can't open the whole thing and this and that. And I know this video is gonna be switching gear. This is not what we do at this channel, but I just want to share to you guys this unboxing. I've been like holding it off because I'm not so sure if I'm gonna like it, but then I was thinking about getting the newer one, like new when you buy it online or you buy it at the store. But I realized like I'm just gonna be throwing it in the trunk. I have been looking at Fashionphile for a while and I love the website. It's authentic, and I think a lot of people buy some stuff on Fashionphile, so I have researched about it too. Like to unbox it today and share to you guys. I might have to clean it too since it's a pre-loved. If you are interested with this video, just keep on watching. Okay, here we go. Let's unbox this baby. I'm so excited. I'm already wearing my Christmas stuff here. Feel like it's Christmas today. I'm still going to wrap this and put it under my tree because this is an early Christmas present. So I thought to just check it first so that just in case we need to send it back because there's problems and stuff. So yeah. So as you can see, there is this Fashionphile, and I can see already this confetti or dot here. Dot. Oh my god! Looks awesome! I need to find my phone here. Let me find my phone. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like here on top. So this is what I am seeing here. I love that they have this nail file that says I love my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. Yes, that's true. That's awesome. And then let's start opening it up here. I used in the new. That's cool. It's actually snowing outside, so this is a perfect time for me to unbox this because it feels like Christmas. Let me put this down. Okay, here is the bag. Cool. And let us open it together. Oh my god, I'm excited. Okay, I'm just looking at the sides here. This still looks new to me. Seems like this is actually the 45 Keepall, and I love that there's a buckle here still, and then also the luggage tag, which I love. Right here, looks good. And let us unflat it. Woo! Oh my god. So there is a part here where it's stained. Right here. If you can see that, and right here. So I don't mind. I don't really care. But this still looks good, guys. This is actually 29-year-old bag. 29-year-old. Imagine that. And the zipper, it's like butter. Wow. And okay, let's check the inside here. So this is the numbering here, or the code, I think, and it was 1994 that this was released or was made, probably. There's no smell. Nope. And the inside looks so clean, very clean. Let me take a video here too. It's so pretty outside, guys. Let me take a video for you. It looks so pretty. It's wintry. But here is the inside, as you can see. It's so clean. I don't see any dirt or any staining in the inside, which that's surprising because it's 29-year-old. But look at that. The inside is pristine. Pristine. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I wasn't really expecting that it's gonna be like looking like this, looking like new. And the leather also, this vachetta leather, it's not really, as you can see here, the owner took care of this really good for 29 years. So I like it. The sides here are kinda like aging right here, but it's 29-year-old. What do you expect? But I'm thinking about putting some stuff in this one, and I don't want to flatten it, since yeah, I don't want to flatten it. I just feel like it's going to be getting worse on the area right here that's been like wrinkled, and I don't want that to worsen, so I think I'm just gonna keep it like as is, like this. Oh my god, this is the perfect size that I'm looking for, because there's 50, I think there's 60 also, but this is the perfect one. So I have the Damier Eben in 30 in here, size 30, and this is what it is. So I don't need a bigger one, but this is really awesome. It's so clean inside. What did the owner do with this? Like, probably a rich person. And I'm the one taking care of it for the next years to come. I love it. There's nothing wrong with the sides here. To think that it's 29-year-old, I'm surprised at why it's so clean. Like, really surprised here, guys. I don't know. And the zipper too looks really shiny, so I don't think I need to clean it. I bought some cleaner yesterday at Home Depot, and I thought I'm gonna use it, but I don't think so. I'm so excited for my next travel, guys. I'm thinking about using this for when I go to Belize in February, and hopefully too when I like just travel by car anywhere here in Michigan or maybe in Canada. So this would be a good like weekend bag where I could put all my stuff, what I need. Oh my god, I'm so excited to put some stuff inside this, but I guess that is it for this video. I'm so excited.